Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to unfollow somebody on Twitter. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, guys, that I'm already logged into Twitter account, and this is my particular homepage right over here. And if you want to unfollow somebody because of any reasons, what you're going to do is I'm going to help you for that today. So you can simply do it by going to your profile icon and then searching for the person you want to unfollow. For that, what you gotta do is tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner of the screen, just like this, and then tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your profile over here, the various tweets that you have Twitter, and even the person you're following and the numbers of followers you have. So what you're going to do is tap on this following. This will take you to lots of persons that you are currently following. So if you want to unfollow any one of them, you just can tap on the blue background over here with this following option. What you gotta do is tap on following over here. So simply, this is how you unfollow people, by simply tapping on this following option to unfollow. But if you want to do it by searching for them, you can go on search option with this magnifying glass and then search for the person you want to unfollow. What I'm going to do is simply, I'm going to tap over here for the person that I want to unfollow. I can go to their profile just like this and then tap on following. And simply Twitter is asking me if I want to stop following the particular person. If I don't want to follow them, I can tap on yes option, just right to it's next to no. So simply you can see that I've unfollowed them. So okay guys, this is how you do it. This is how you unfollow somebody on Twitter. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. For more videos and for more help, you can visit our channel. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.